Students, today we will read a story. What do you see? This is a story from Mahabharata. Arjun, the prince, his brothers and cousins were being trained in archery and warcraft by the great teacher Dronacharya. Once Dronacharya called his students. He said, I would like to see how you are practicing your archery skills. I will take a test. So Dronacharya called all the students together. He placed a wooden parrot on a branch of a tree. He said, Now, all of you get ready with your bow and arrow for the test. Look at the wooden bird on the branch of the tree. You have to hit exactly its eye. All students were excited. They stood in a line for the test. First come Bhim. He stretched his bow and set his arrow. As he was about to shoot the wooden bird's eye, Dronacharya said, Wait, Bhim, tell me, what do you see? Bhim replied, Guruji, I see the sky, the clouds, and the sun. Dronacharya said, Bhim, you will not shoot the wooden bird right now. Then came Yudhishthir. Dronacharya asked him the same question. Tell me, what do you see? Yudhishthir replied, Guruji, I see the wooden bird, the branches, and the tree too. No, said Dronacharya. You are not ready to shoot yet. All the students were asked the same question, and they all told about many things they saw around. They told that they could see the sky, the clouds, the sun, the tree, the branch, the wooden bird, and their friends too. But Dronacharya was not happy with their answers. He stopped everyone. Nobody got a chance to shoot the wooden bird. Finally, it was Arjun's turn. Arjun was very good at archery. When he came forward, Dronacharya asked him the same question. What do you see, Arjun? Arjun looked at the wooden bird and focusing on its eye. He replied, Guruji, I can see only the eye of the wooden bird. What else do you see? Asked Dronacharya. Nothing else but the eye of the wooden bird. That's all I can see, replied Arjun. Shoot, said Dronacharya happily, and Arjun shot the bow. The arrow. It hit the wooden bird's eye exactly. The wooden bird fell down. Dronacharya patted on Arjun's back and said, Focusing on your goal helps to achieve it. Now, let's move to the question answers. Answer the following. First, who was Dronacharya? Second, what were Arjun and his cousins being trained in? Third, what did Dronacharya ask the students to do? Fourth, why did Dronacharya not let Bhim and Yudhishthir shoot the wooden bird? Fifth, what did Arjun see? Next, find out the following from the story. First, two names of persons. Second, name of a sport. Third, names of two things. Fourth, names of three things seen in the nature. Next, who said the following? First, Guruji, I see the sky, the clouds, and the sun. Second, you are not ready to shoot yet. Third, Guruji, I can see only the eye of the wooden bird. Next, unscramble the following words. Find them in the story and underline them. Rhetoric archery. OOWDNE. WBOWRROTOSOH. Next, look at the following pictures. Tell the name of these sports. Match the names with the pictures. Football, cricket, kabaddi, chess, badminton, archery, hockey, swimming.